Welcome to this guide on how to add results and assessment feedback in Proficient from a Centre Assessor perspective. In this video, we'll walk you through how to locate a learner allocated to you for assessment, record a standard grading outcome, and provide the relevant assessment feedback. When you log into Proficient as a Centre Assessor, you'll see a slightly different menu on the left-hand side. Navigate to My Assessments. Please note that this may initially display as 0. You should still select this option to access the learners allocated to you. The list will initially be filtered to In Assessment. Change the drop-down to On Programme and click Apply Filters. The learners allocated to you for assessment will then appear. Once you've located the relevant learner, there are two ways to access their profile. You can select the three dots under Actions and navigate through the profile options, or select the learner's hyperlinked name. Once you've opened the learner's profile, navigate to Assessment Profile. Here you'll see the relevant assessment information, including the planned assessment date, the booking status, the assessor allocated to the component, and the next action available. Once the assessment has taken place, the next action will be Add Result. Click Add Result to begin recording the assessment outcome. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to record a standard grading outcome. For a full breakdown of the different grading options and the actions associated with them, please see our Understanding Grades, Resits and Retakes in Proficient video. A link to this video is available in the description of this video. Select Grade and then choose the appropriate outcome from the drop-down. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll select Distinction. As Distinction is the highest grade available for this component, you'll see that the next action options are unavailable, as no further assessment attempt is required. You can also update the date and time to reflect when the assessment actually took place. If the assessment was completed on a different date or at a different time from the original booking, amend these details so that Proficient contains an accurate record of the assessment activity. No information is required within the general feedback section at this stage, so you can move on to reasonable adjustments. If your centre has pre-authorised and applied a reasonable adjustment for this centre-assessed component, you can record this within Proficient by selecting Add Adjustment and entering the relevant information. We ask centres to record any reasonable adjustments applied to the assessment where appropriate, as this information helps support the EQA team during annual check-ins and audit activity. Next, move to the Questions and Answers section. There are two ways to record the assessment information and feedback for a centre-assessed component. The first option is to use the assessment record built directly into Proficient. This reflects the relevant assessment outcomes from the assessment plan and allows you to record the appropriate outcome against each area, along with an overall grade and written feedback. We encourage centres to use the assessment record within Proficient where possible. It provides a quick and straightforward way to record the assessment information directly against the individual learner. Alternatively, you can use the assessment record provided within the Supporting Materials section of Proficient. This can be downloaded and completed separately for the centre-assessed component. If you choose this option, navigate to the File Upload section, select Browse, and upload the completed assessment record. You can then use the Upload functionality to add the file to the learner's assessment record. Either method can be used to provide the required assessment information and feedback. No additional information is required within the Attendees section for this process, so continue to the Declaration section. Enter the assessor's name and provide the required signature. Before submitting, make sure you also select the confirmation toggle at the bottom of the Declaration section. This is an important step and should not be missed. Once you've reviewed the information and are satisfied that everything is correct, click Submit. The learner's grade and assessment information have now been submitted within Proficient. Thank you for watching this guide on adding results and assessment feedback in Proficient from a Centre Assessor perspective. For more information about the different grading outcomes and what happens when a resit or retake is required, please see our Understanding Grades, Resits and Retakes in Proficient video. A link to this video is available in the description of this video. If you have any further questions, please get in touch with us, and thank you for choosing Training Qualifications UK.